Two-stroke engines are generally used only for small applications. When I talk about small applications, I mean things like motorbikes, or perhaps an outboard engine for a motorboat, or perhaps a lawnmower. So relatively small applications. There is one exception. You will see this type of engine used for very, very large merchant navy vessels. I think the first thing we want to do is follow the air-fuel mixture. I'm going to go right back to the start. We can see that the air-fuel mixture starts here and it comes in through this port. It's travelling left and it's going into the space below the piston. Let's let the piston travel up, and about this point here, just before it gets to top dead center or the top of its travel, we are going to get a controlled explosion. Let's just zoom in. We can see here, in fact we can actually see the little spark that has been created by the spark plug. This piece here is called the central electrode, and we're charging this with high voltage. At some point the electricity, or the pieces here, the central electrode and the piece below it, they're going to be so charged that the air is going to become ionized and we're going to get a spark that jumps across the gap. This spark is quite hot and it has more than enough energy to light that hot, highly pressurized fuel-air mixture. The advantages with a two-stroke engine are that there are very few parts, its design is very simple, and it has a very high power-to-weight ratio. But the disadvantage with two-stroke engines is simply that they are not very efficient.